To get you this morning, but we begin with an apparent road rage shooting. So police say an off-duty officer was hit.
It happened around 9:15 last night on Northwest Loop 1604 at New Gilbo Road.
So police say the off-duty police officer and his son were driving home when a vehicle started tailgating them. As it passed them, someone inside shot at the truck, hitting the 18-year veteran. His son, who called police, was not hurt. The officer was taken to the hospital and is stable. He did not return fire. Police right now are still looking for the shooter.
Police officers out of uniform can be off duty, but they just look like regular citizens. And unfortunately, they can be shot too.
The search continues for the person who shot an off-duty Chicago police officer yesterday afternoon and then took off.
Police are calling it a random case of road rage. CBS 2 Sabrina Franza live at Illinois Masonic Hospital, where that officer is recovering, and you have the latest on the investigation. Sabrina.
Good morning. That off-duty cop was shot in the face in what police are calling a apparent road rage incident. As you mentioned, they're also calling this a random attack as their investigation continues. Now, this happened around 3 o'clock in the afternoon in broad daylight at Elston and Addison near the Jiffy Lube at that intersection. The Chicago police say the driver of an SUV was in front of an off-duty officer when that driver slammed on the brakes, pulled out a gun, and shot the 27-year-old off-duty cop in the face. She was taken to the hospital while employees at that Jiffy Lube saw the SUV getting away, heading northbound to where Lawrence and the Kennedy cross. This morning, the Civilian Office of Police Accountability is also investigating another case looking into an officer-involved shooting at that location because the car involved the same car whose driver fired at that officer. She's expected to make a full recovery.
I did talk to the officer, and she is talking. She is apparently did not lose consciousness, so thank goodness.
A few miles more north of that original scene, that same SUV was found. The driver of that car was not. Police are still looking for that driver. We're live outside Illinois Masonic Medical Center. Sabrina Franza, CBS 2 News.